All right, we got the Altima in the air. Wheel off. You can see there isn't much left down in there as far as material, as close as that is. So what we're going to do is take our 14 and take these 2 bolts loose. All right, got them off. Caliper off. Set it up top, out of the way. There wasn't much left of that. All right, I'll pick you up when I'm putting the driver's side on. All right, grab these off of Amazon. I think it's like 33 bucks. Nice. Comes with all new clips. You don't see that very often. Everything's wrapped. Sweet. Let's get putting these on. All right, got my old parts laid out. This is the outside pad here. That is the bottom clip. That's the back side pad. And that's the top clip. Get this bottom one put in. Set the bottom in first. The front should snap and hold it in place. There we go. Let's try this top one. All right, so I had to figure it out because I was struggling trying to get this piece under there and it doesn't go there. So let's set the bottom right here. Push that down. And then this top clip will push in. And then that clip sits there. And that's your spring that helps pull these back out. I got to do the back the same way. Probably going to do it two-handed. So I definitely could not video that because I needed both hands to get those clips in there at the top. That's how the back one sits in there. And it's just like the front one. You just can't see any of this. You kind of got to do it by feel. Now it's time to take the clamp, push the piston back in. Put your little brake pad here so you got something to bite down against since there's a recess inside of there. Crank it down. Went ahead and repositioned it instead of sitting on that banjo bolt there to put it on the body here. So it should do the same. Once you got it pressed in, go ahead and loosen up the clamp. Take that out. Let's rotate this back into place. Now you can see that right there sprung out a little. So they may have to get pushed in. Bottom one's pushed in. Now we can take these bolts and thread them in. Grab your 14 mil. if yours spins, there's flat spots here that you can hold it with another wrench. Mine don't spin. And there we go. Driver's side done. All right, tire is on. Let's see if I can go ahead and fix this here. Now those clips aren't broke, so they should snap in there, but you can see that this is bent. And I gotta loosen that bolt right there and sandwich that back in, but boys hit an owl on the way to work. A little owl, not the bumper owl. So I got this piece out, and it actually sits in there like that, I think, because there's a piece there. Alright, those snapped in. Push under so I can get this bracket and bolt through there. All right, like it never happened. So that's it for the brake job on the Altima. Now, a lot of people know how to do brakes, but there are some that are wanting to learn, some that are just getting a car. This is kind of a first-time car type of situation. So this video is for you. And if you just enjoyed watching it, I appreciate you guys watching, but these are the Bendix brakes I used on the front. They're from Amazon. I'll leave a link for it. And they didn't cost very much, and they came with those clips, and that is great because you don't have to clean up anything. You just put the clips on, slide the brakes in. Even though they're a little annoying on the back, it goes on. So appreciate you guys watching. Catch you in the next one.